Hey everyone, I'm Karan from Enable, and welcome back to the official video tutorial series on AbleSet. In this video, we'll find out how to install AbleSet, get it running with Ableton Live, and manage your license. Let's start with where to get it. You can download AbleSet directly from ableset.com. Just select Download Free Trial and choose your operating system. And the installation is straightforward. On macOS, open the downloaded file and drag and drop AbleSet into your Applications folder. On Windows, run the installer and follow the steps in the setup window. Once installed, you'll find the AbleSet app in your Programs list or Applications folder. When you first launch AbleSet, it will prompt you to install the AbleSet plugin to your user library, like this. Select the user library folder, and then open Ableton. With Ableton Live open, go to your settings, select the MIDI tab, and add AbleSet as a control surface over here. After that, you can either enter your license key if you've already purchased one up here in the menu bar, or just keep using the trial mode. The trial works for 15 minutes at a time, and you can restart AbleSet after each trial period to keep testing it. AbleSet comes in 3 editions: Intro, Standard, and Pro. This gives you a more affordable entry point to all the core features of AbleSet with the option to upgrade to the more advanced ones in the future. Check out the different pricing for the editions and compare the feature sets on ableset.com. We'll add one of these badges whenever we're discussing a feature that's exclusive to the standard or pro versions throughout the tutorial series. AbleSet is compatible with all editions of Ableton Live, so it works with Ableton Intro, Ableton Standard, and Ableton Suite. Now let's talk about license management. AbleSet can be licensed on a limited number of machines at the same time. This number depends on the edition you have, but you can always purchase additional licenses for your account if necessary. In case you want to deactivate a license and move it to another computer, you can deactivate your machine up here in the menu bar. Now you can activate the same license on a different system using the same key. And that's really all you need to get started. Download AbleSet, install it, and connect it to Ableton Live. In the next video, we'll start putting AbleSet through its paces. I'll show you how to set up your live set correctly and create your first set list. If you want to pick up a copy of AbleSet, head over to ableset.com and check out Enable for more tips on playback and Ableton Live. And also, if you're finding these videos helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.